Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027 how to add CTB file. So if you type plot and then go to the plot style tables, it will be show for the CTB file. If you want to add the CTB file into this drop down menu, you can type OP to open the option dialog box and then go to plot and publish tab. Click on plot style table settings. Click add or edit plot style table. Now you can copy and paste your CTB file into here. Like example, I will use this example CTB. You can copy and then paste into this folder. You paste. And after it, you can close. Now you can close again this option dialog box. Now you can tap plot, enter. Click on the plot style tables and then be show for the new CTB file. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD 2027 how to add CTB file.